If you've been feeling like home decor lately is stuck, repetitive, or strangely impersonal, you're not imagining it. We're standing at the edge of a major design shift, and the homes of 2026 are going to feel very different from what we've grown used to over the past few years. Today, we're talking about the home decor trends that we'll be seeing everywhere in 2026. Not just what will look good on Instagram, but what people are actually craving in their homes next. Comfort, character, emotion, and intention are taking center stage, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what that looks like. If you love understanding why design trends change and how to apply them without constantly redecorating, then this video is for you. Welcome to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of the family. So the first trend we're going to talk about is warmth replacing cool minimalism. One of the biggest shifts heading into 2026 is the quiet exit of cold, overly minimal spaces. Some of your stark whites, your icy grays, and ultra sleek rooms are being softened or phased out altogether. Now, in their place, we're seeing warm neutrals, layered textures, and depth. So think creamy beiges, camel, mushroom, warm taupe, soft browns, and muted clay tones. Homes are starting to feel more grounded and human again. This trend isn't about clutter. It's about creating spaces that feel welcoming rather than untouchable and pristine. Rooms that invite you to sit, stay, and relax. In 2026, warmth isn't just a look or a trend. It's a feeling people want to live inside. The second trend, personality over perfection. Another defining trend of 2026 is a move away from picture perfect interiors toward personality driven homes. People are no longer asking, does this match? They're asking, does this feel like me? Can I see myself with this? That means more eclectic styling, meaningful objects on display, and rooms that tell a story instead of following a formula. We'll see more vintage pieces mixed with modern furniture, collected artwork instead of mass produced wall decor, and homes that feel layered over time. Imperfection is becoming desirable again. It just seems real. A home in 2026 isn't meant to look staged, it's meant to look lived in. Trend number 3, color returns, but in a sophisticated way. So, color is absolutely making a comeback, but not in a loud or chaotic way. The colors of 2026 are rich, moody, and intentional. Expect to see deep browns, oxblood, I love oxblood, olive green, inky blues, warm plums, and softened terracotta tones. Even brighter colors are being muted and grounded with earthy undertones. What's interesting is how color is being used. Instead of just accent pieces, people are embracing painted cabinetry, color washed walls, ceilings that match the walls, and tone on tone rooms. Color in 2026 isn't about bold statements, it's about full immersion. Trend number 4, Small spaces designed with purpose. As more people live in smaller homes, apartments, and older houses, 2026 design trends are placing a strong emphasis on intentional, small spaces. Now, reading nooks, cozy corners, window seats, and multifunctional rooms are becoming design priorities. I think we're all looking for an escape of sorts. Instead of one large open space, people are carving out zones for rooms, zones for rest, for creativity, or for privacy. This shift reflects a deeper desire for homes that support real life. You know, a lot of people jumped on that open room, open layout trend that I can't really say it's a trend. It was just the way home design and interior construction of homes really was for a while. Just really big open spaces. Even though open layouts are great for entertaining, there's more to life than entertaining. You have solitude, focus, and comfort. In 2026, even the smallest space in a home is expected to have a purpose and a personality. Trend number 5, the rise of private outdoor spaces. Now, outdoor spaces in 2026 are becoming more intimate and intentional. Instead of showy patios meant for hosting a large group of people, people are designing private outdoor retreats. Think cozy seating, layered lighting, outdoor rugs, privacy screens, and soft textures that blur the line between inside and outside. Even balconies in small yards are being transformed into calming extensions of the home. This trend speaks to a broader cultural shift. Money is not super easy to come by right now, and it hasn't been for a while. A lot of people are having to forego those luxury vacations. And there's something about a home not just being a shelter anymore, but you're creating a sanctuary where you can get away from it without actually booking a ticket and getting away from it. Trend number 6, ceilings as a design feature. One of the most overlooked design elements is finally getting attention in 2026. The ceiling. Now, color-capped ceilings, wallpaper ceilings, wood planks, beams, and subtle texture overhead are becoming more and more common. Designs are using ceilings to add intimacy and character, especially in rooms that feel flat or boxy. Instead of defaulting to white, people are treating the ceiling as really the fifth wall, and it's completely changing how rooms feel. Trend number 7, quiet luxury continues, but it does evolve. Now, quiet luxury isn't going away anytime soon, but it is evolving. So in 2026, luxury is less about labels and more about how a space makes you feel. I've touched on this in several videos because I feel like it really is important to drive that point home. Natural materials, thoughtful lighting, quality textiles, and timeless silhouettes define this trend. It's subtle, calm, and deeply comfortable. Not flashy, not trendy, just well considered. This version of luxury feels achievable, even on a budget, because it's rooted in intention rather than access and really overpriced brand names. And last but not least, trend number 8, emotional design takes center stage. Perhaps the most important trend of 2026 is emotional design. Homes are being designed to support mental well-being, comfort, and personal identity. Soft lighting, cozy textures, meaningful objects, and spaces that encourage rest are no longer extras. They're not luxurious. They're not only for the rich. They're for all of us. They're essential. In 2026, the most beautiful homes are the ones that feel good to be in. As we move toward 2026, home decor is becoming less about following rules and more about creating spaces that truly support your life. Warmth, personality, comfort, and intention are shaping the future of design. And the best part is that these trends can be adapted to any home on any budget. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Home Decor 101 for more design insights, trend breakdowns, and decorating ideas that actually make sense. And don't forget to check the description box below, where I've linked curated home decor pieces inspired by today's trends to help you bring those ideas into your home. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, it helps me out greatly, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.